Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to replace these filters. It's maintenance day on Jeepingmo. Alright, so in order to change your cabin filters, it's very simple to do. You'll open your glove box up, and this rod on the side, it'll just push up, and at the very top here, you just push up the little bar and your whole glove box comes out. Then up inside here is this little panel that you'll just squeeze these little clips and you'll take off this bar, and there'll sit your cabin filter. So it's kind of soft, there's no tabs. So just kind of hook your finger in there and you'll just pull it out. Right. So they say over 20,000 miles. We've got 70,000 on ours. It's a little nasty. Okay, so trying to do this so that you can see, but you only get to see part of the slot. Well, obviously the filter is wider. So luckily the filter is real flimsy and it'll accordion a little bit and then slide in. Eventually it just pops right in. And then you'll just hook the back of your cover in. So yeah, make sure that tab's all the way into one side and just snaps in. So that's just changing your cabin air. So then just from here, put your glove box, put it back in the little slots. You'll raise it up on this tab. Just come back over here on the side and reverse, just push it in and just push it down, and that's it. Alright, so to change your main engine air filter, we'll take these 4 bolts off that's around it. Now this is 2018 and newer JL Wrangler and 2020 Gladiator with the 3.6. So you can use a Phillips or a flat. I have found that on these, the flat actually works a little bit better. You would think the Phillips would work better, but it's a goofy Phillips. It's hard to do this without finding a good angle, and my hands aren't in the way. So you're just going to go through and undo all of these. You could always use a nut driver as well. I guess if you're good with the cordless, you can use a cordless. We usually try to change these about every 20 to 30,000. So we're rolling up on our second filter change. We just hit 70 on this. And if the screws fall out like that, just set them in just a little bit. Alright, so then just pop your cover off and just pull your filter out. Now it's a thick filter. So every now and then, just change this out. You can see they get pretty filthy. Alright, so then just reverse the process. Now I always go in here and take a look, see if there's anything big in here I need to pull out. Big old butterfly or moth. Then just set it in, make sure it's in all the way. And these are just winch lines, so you just reseat the cover. And then just put your screws back in. Now if you are using a cordless, get them started by hand before you use it. And just drive all the screws in. Alright, so that was just installing that main air filter into your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL or a Jeep Gladiator. You got to have the 3.6. I don't know if the filter box is the same for the other engines. Alright everyone, so that was just changing our cabin filter and our engine air filter on a 2018 and above Jeep Wrangler JL and a 2020 Jeep Gladiator and above. Both with the 3.6 liter. I don't know if they're the same on the other ones. And a little tip on the Wrangler, tell them you got at least a 2019, because if you have a 2018, I've gotten too many JK parts when I buy parts for it. This was pretty nasty. It's factory, 70,000 miles, so it was ready. And then we just changed the engine air filter. We change this about every 30, so this is the second go around on this. Whether you change your cabin filter or not, you know, that's up to you. Some people don't even run them anymore. But your engine air filter, every 20 to 30,000, if you're on a trail a lot, definitely change it more, or at least blow it out periodically. So that's a little maintenance day, right? So if you like this type of content and these mods, I'll see you on one of these other videos. So until I see you there, this has been Jeepingmo. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video. But your engine air filter, every 20 to 30,000, if you're on a trail a lot, definitely change it more, or at least blow it out periodically. So that's a little maintenance day. A little maintenance day on a 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. And both these are 3.6. And a little tip, we have a 2018 JL. When you ask for parts, tell them it's a 19. All right, everyone, so that was just changing our cabin filter and our cabin